The fertilizer of the container garden, fertilizing of the container garden experiment continues. So we've got some parameters that we're going to work with. So out of the Miracle-Gro Performance Organics products, a 769, I made a tea concentrate. Out of that, I have just now taken that much of that concentrate, mixed it into this pot with just a little glug of fish fertilizer. I'm using pond water to do so, and I put just a little scoop of this in the pond water prior to let it soak. A little tea. This is some pretty good stuff too. I mean, look at this. It's a 463, but it also has a 7.5 calcium. So I'm pretty excited about that. We're gonna get that calcium into the soil, but it's got a lot of great nutrients and what it's derived from, and it's just a great product as far as off the shelf. So anyway, put a little of that in there. Now what I'm gonna do also is I have tagged several of these buckets, these containers, with white tags. So the white tag means we're going to be using primarily a liquid-based fertilizer like we just made here. I'm mixing up using liquid. The remaining of it we're going to top dress with like the Dr. Earth product and some of these granules as well, and just kind of etch them in and let them naturally degrade and feed. But we're going to see if there's a difference between the liquid direct bioavailable fertilizing and or just the top dressing of plants. And some things like these tomatoes, I'm going after it with these guys. They'll get a little bit of everything. They're going to get whatever it takes to be as successful as possible. So I'm gonna feed them well. Nothing specific. We just need to get some flowers and fruit on this guy. It's got its first set of flowers, but let's see what it's gonna do. And we may top dress these again with some of that compost that I've been making. Let it break down for a month. It'll probably be pretty good shape. Top dress this, and just before the heat gets here, an inch of fresh mulch. It'll be something. All right, so I'm gonna fertilize things, and we'll keep an eye on the state of the garden. Container Garden Fertilizing Experiment 2024.